Hello, good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning, we are doing a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1966 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive pickup. This truck is rotisserie restored, body off restoration, 207 miles, 220 miles. I'll have to look at the dash again. Since it was restored. And I'm going to tell you, I've had this truck for a year. I've kept it in my private collection. I've driven this truck, took it to car shows, had fun with it with the family. Everywhere I go, I won a trophy with it. This truck is absolutely stunning in every way. It has a ramjet fuel injected 350 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning. This truck it's all that. I mean, it's as good as they get. Big aluminum radiator, headers, say ramjet 350. They didn't forget anything when they built this truck. The body, paint, interior, just absolutely stunning. The undercarriage of the truck. Stainless steel MagnaFlow exhaust. Rear mounted fuel tank. The bottom side looks as good as the top side. There you go. I just wanted you guys to see just how nice and what the quality of this truck is. They don't get any better. Beautiful orange truck, tan leather interior, new bumpers, new everything. I mean, the truck is brand new. I mean, front to back, everything's been replaced on this truck. Even smells like brand new leather inside. Chrome tilt steering column. I think you get the drift here of how nice it is. All new glass, new door handles, new mirrors, new emblems. Leather wrapped, polished billet steering wheel. $203 miles is what it says. Air blows cold. I'm not sure which button turns that radio on, but headlights. It's super comfortable. What a gorgeous truck. Oh, if you were gonna build this truck, you couldn't build this truck for probably $150,000+ $1,000. We're probably going to ask probably 119, 120 grand, somewhere in that vicinity for this truck. What a beautiful ride. 66 K10 4-wheel drive. Bright orange. They don't get any better, folks. In my opinion. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. So I've never even tried to sell this truck. Never had it advertised up until now. So here's your chance to get one out of my personal collection. I like my stuff nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy this video. Have a great day. Again, give us a call, 563-452-2450. Talk to you soon.